today is talking about geometry and specifically the coordinate plane. What is the coordinate plane? This is the introduction. All right. So the coordinate plane is a plane containing x and y axis, right? So a plane is just a flat surface. And when it becomes a coordinate plane is when we add this y-axis and this x-axis. Okay. So the coordinate plane will usually be gridded and will always, you can see the grid lines. And it's always going to have the x and the y-axis. Okay. So labeled. Here's the key word. It usually is going to be labeled. Sometimes you might have to label it yourself. All right. So let's look at this. Here's our plane, okay? And the coordinate plane is created from two perpendicular, right? Two perpendicular, it's 90 degrees, number lines. So our center point is 0, right? And I wrote it here as a coordinate, 0, 0. Now watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool, right? We have a number line. This is our x-axis, and we have a number line. This is our y-axis. Notice when you go up, the number gets bigger. When you go down, the number gets smaller. When you go forward, the number gets bigger. When you go backward, the number gets smaller. So this is our coordinate plane. This year, you are mostly going to be staying in the positive quadrant. This is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. We're going to be sticking here with positive and positive for the most part. Okay, so what do we do with this coordinate plane? Now, when marking or reading the coordinate plane, always read the x-axis first, okay? So here is our x-axis, x, and then here is our y-axis, right? What do I mean when I say that? The intersections on the grid are called the coordinates. So we're going to be marking the coordinates, okay? The intersections. And when we read the x-axis first, let me show you. This spot right here, we're going to read 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. 3, 3. That's what I mean. The x-axis comes first and then the y-axis. Okay, I'll give you another example. Look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6, 4. It's pretty cool, right? Okay, so we can mark these, right? We can mark these. We can do a little bit more practice. All right. 3, 8. X comes before Y. 3, 8. So we go 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man, that's awesome. So if you want, look, you can draw if that helps you, if you just can look at the numbers. 3, 8, there we go. 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come over. Here we are. 6, 4. 1, 5. 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our dot. And so on and so forth. So this is how you mark or read that coordinate plane. 0, 2. We go over 0. Notice we go over 0 because the x is first. And then we're going to go y up 2. 1, 2. So this is 0, 2. Okay. And then now let's look at 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 0. There you go. All right. Last bit of example, last page, last practice problems. X comes before Y. Our X always goes first. So we'll start here. 1, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's pretty easy, right? X and Y is the same. Let's do this number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 7, 3. Right? 7 comes first because you read the x-axis first and then the y. Right here. 1, 2, 7. 2, 7. And then our last but not least, 8 is the y. 5 is the x. 5, 8. All right, this is just practice with coordinate grids, coordinate planes. This is our introduction video. Please let me know if you have any questions or if there's any way that I can help. So thanks so much. See you next time.